Hello, here we go again. Today we'll be looking at one of our series, video series on the Blogger video series. We'll be looking at how to create a static page in a Blogger blog. As usual, you know this training program is powered by the Teacher Teach Tech. It's a platform where we train teachers, especially African teachers, on the use of tech educational gadgets for an e-learning experience in our schools today. You need to understand static pages. You must have gone through one of our videos on creating navigation pages. All those pages you see lined up horizontally or vertically by the sidebar in your blog, and they are navigation pages. But here today we're looking at static pages. Pages like when you see about us, contact us, all those kind of pages. Why we call them static? Because unlike if you see navigation pages, take for instance, if you visit a particular blog site and see a particular navigation page that says resources, there's a tendency that if you click on it, you're going to see a lot of posts, because every post made under that will appear. It can be hundreds and thousands, depending on the number of posts that have been made under it. But static pages is one post once. If you want to talk about your about post, about us, you just write one thing is there. Except you want to edit it, you cannot see under about us, you see a lot of posts under it. No, they are static. Once created is there and permanently there, except you want to edit it. So that's what we're looking at today. These are, you can always reach us. We have training for teachers, individuals and all that. So these are our contacts. I remain your one and only one, Chima Ezo. And these are our email, our Twitter, everything you need to go through and learn. Just when you have this video, you go through it. Can always contact us. This is a practical lesson, so we're not going to waste time. Let's quickly go to the internet and see what we need to do. Over time, since we started this particular training, we just created a temporary blogger strain to use it. So let's quickly do. Now remember, if you have gone through a video on navigation pages, you see that when creating navigation pages, we will have to go through the layers. But these static pages, exactly, you wonder what is this pages here for? That's exactly for static pages. So let's quickly go on and see how we do it. I click on this place, pages. I say create a new page. Either I click here, or even if I click here, the same thing. So they are just serving the same purpose. I will just decide to, it's just the same process. I just decide to do one of them, either about us or contact us, anyone. Just the same. Maybe I want to talk about us. This about us page. So I say about us. Same, whatever you write is how it's going to appear in your main site. So say blogger strain. Remember, even on this one, you can still have upload an image. Is very, very important. Blogger strain is a platform where we train teachers on the basics of blogging using video tutorials. Maybe you remember, whatever, you can write as many as, but to me, maybe this is all I want to write. It's okay. After that, I do this. I publish. Having published, that's not the end of the story. Never the end of the story. I will now copy this now, see what happened. Let me open it. What do you do? Look at this. It says view. You will now see the URL of this, what you have created. Look at it. You need to copy it and now paste where you want it to be, because having done that, it's nowhere here. You can't see anything now, as you cannot see about us anywhere. So you need to copy. You copy it and now go back to your dashboard. Usually, if you see websites, see that things like about us page and all that static page, they are either on top here or usually down there at the footer. It's always the norm, either up there at the header or the footer. So we can place it anywhere we want. So you now go back to layout. See the process. Go back to layout And now you're asking yourself, where are we going to place this? I wouldn't want to place it here. I decide that I'm going to put it under the footer. So I choose one of these footers. I choose this. I choose this, and I want to I may drop it as a page. So I click here. I add a link, about us. Now under URL, I drop this. That's it. It's now I've really done the final work on this. I save it. It's there. I do the final. You know why we see? If I've already, for example, I've created a contact page, and I want all of them to be, I'll still go here now, do the same thing maybe for contacts, for advertise with us, everything I want, all those static pages, if I want them to be like they usually be in a typical website, they are either lined up together or down there or together. So I'll fix all of them. After fixing all of them one by one, I'll now go here and click on save. It's there. Let me make sure it's saved very, very well. So view my blog. Let me remove this one. You're going to see that it's there now. And at any time you click to know, you visited my blog and say, okay, I want to know what this blog is all about. That's why it's very important. You look at it about us. If you click on it now, it's going to open. You're going to see some things about this blog. Look at it, it's there written. Bloggers Trend is a platform where we train teachers. Okay, is that what they're all about? Okay, that's good, that's fine. It's all over. You've created it. So remember, like I give instances of static pages. You can create all of them. The process are there. Just watch this video over and over again and understand our explanations. And you create all of them. They are all there. You can see it. That's exactly how to create static pages. Some of these things, if you don't really know what to do, you wouldn't know. But they are very, very important. In fact, for those who want to monetize their blog, Google will always look for all this. They look out for them. They are so much thinking about this. If they are not there, they don't see you as somebody who is really serious to make money from your blog. So we're going to stop here this particular video at this moment, as we still have the subsequent videos covering other areas of this blogger series. Thank you. That will come your way next time.